Hello friends! Welcome to Adventures in Food with Howard. If you've been here before, thank you for stopping by again. If this is your first time here, then welcome. This is the second video in my new series, Quick, Simple, and Easy. This recipe only has 2 ingredients and is so quick and so easy that it is almost embarrassingly simple. If you are looking for a new and unusual but delicious dip for chips and vegetables, then this recipe is for you. For this recipe you will need mayonnaise, preferably mayonnaise that you've made yourself, but a good quality store-bought mayonnaise is also fine. The only other thing you need is miso paste. This is the same miso paste that is used to make miso soup. It's available at most supermarkets nowadays, and it will last forever in the refrigerator. This dip can be scaled up to feed a large crowd, or scaled down to make just enough for 1 or 2 people. Because the taste of miso paste varies from the very mild shiro, or white miso, to the very strong aka, or red miso, it's very difficult to give exact measurements, but I recommend that you start with a ratio of 4 parts mayonnaise to 1 part miso. Mix it thoroughly and give it a taste. Just keep tasting and adding additional mayonnaise or miso paste until you get the perfect balance that tastes good to you. I'm using the red miso paste, which has a stronger flavor, so I'm using a higher ratio of mayonnaise to miso paste. My ratio is more like 6 or 7 parts mayonnaise to 1 part miso. Just let your palate be your guide. The miso will want to resist mixing into the mayonnaise easily, so I usually use a whisk to break up the miso into smaller bits, and then whisk it all together. You can also substitute Greek yogurt for the mayonnaise if you want a low-fat option, but it's not going to give you the same mouthfeel or rich taste that the mayonnaise will have, but it's a delicious alternative if you're watching fat calories. Once it's thoroughly mixed, give it a taste. If the balance between the richness of the mayonnaise and the salty umami of the miso paste is just right, then that's it. Put it in a nice serving bowl and serve with assorted vegetables for dipping, or with chips or pita bread. This could be made a day or 2 in advance, just keep it covered in the refrigerator. In fact, this will last covered in the refrigerator for at least a week, maybe even longer. But I've never had it last that long. It's so delicious. And this is not just a dip. You can also use this as a great sandwich spread with a fried chicken cutlet or pork cutlet, or you could turn this into a creamy salad dressing with the addition of rice vinegar, sugar, soy sauce, and ground sesame seeds. I hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified of all future videos. Also give this a like and leave me a comment. I love hearing from all of you. Join me next time on the Adventures in Food with Howard. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.